itong pagjamburi sa Girl Scout. Noon siya nahurot nagikuan niya.
Ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula. Hanap at ulan. Tatandaan mo pa ba? Idukit ang puso sa punong hanggan at ang alay kong gumabela. Magkahawak kamay sa lampas.
Ang isang hiyong-hiyongan niya doon.
Tulad ng mga ibon, gulitan ang ating kahapon. Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gulitan sa paglipas ng panahon.
I will give you the microphone to Ma'am Glenn for some announcements and further information for this training also.
A lifelong learners. Why lifelong learners? Because we will be enhancing for having new
to be with you here, and most of all, welcome kayo Madrid. Hopefully makabalik ka, mas okay na siya. So welcome you all in Santo Rosario, naman magsisi sa Banga Resort. Hopefully
So, I wish you all the best and good luck and basta to have an insig ka ng fulfillment kay na nato, dili lang sa itong pagtutog para po sa itong kawalingan niya is na we can say that I have a skill to so enjoy na lang and once again good afternoon.
Thank you, ma'am. We have new member in this specialization. We have Good National High School. They're applying for senior high school.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Glenn. Good afternoon, Ma'am Ansir. So my content task is to give you an inspiration. So, in order for you to become a master teacher, so this is also kanang makatabang yun ng atong NCK. Since we are all young in